Hey, Tom, it's great to be with you. I'm so excited to announce our partnership on this Business and Economic Recovery Accelerator. For so long, communities, when they experience disasters, part of the initial problem and challenge that they have is getting data on what their business community needs and finding an affordable way to do it. So, Tom, so glad that we're partnering, MYD Global is partnering with OcotUX. Can you tell us a little bit about the solution that we're going to be offering communities?
Yeah, so basically, I have taken HubSpot's tools, and HubSpot is a CRM, and it's a marketing tool, but it also has tickets in it, so for customer service, and reporting as well. So what we've done is we've taken your intellectual property and your ideas, because you're the expert on disaster recovery for economic developers, and we've baked that in to the HubSpot system. And we have a couple different levels of licensing, but what this is going to allow economic developers to do is quickly reach out to their contacts. So we'll import the contacts into a database. So if you're not using a CRM, it's a great way to get one right out of the gate. And what happens is when the contact comes in, the company record is associated with it and profiled. So we'll know more about each company. We'll also put out a form that you can put on the website. So when someone fills out that form, they're giving you information, but not just for a survey that goes nowhere. We're seeing a lot of those right now. What happens is we're collecting valuable data, the data that you've given us here, and we're putting that into the database, which automatically creates a ticket. The ticket is then reviewed by the economic development team so they can figure out, how do we go to work? How do we help these people right now in the moment? And so there's no physical contact. We don't need phone calls. And it's a very quick, light, simple form that captures extremely valuable data. So the economic development team can get into action.
Well, and I think it's great because you're right. We're going to offer 3 different levels of support. So if you want to just get in the game and get something up running as soon as possible, there's a free version, the insider version. Then we got the VIP and elite versions as well if you want to take it up a notch. But really, the goal of this right now is to just get as many communities as possible using this kind of survey, getting valuable data right now. And eventually, they're going to be using it for their business retention and expansion outreach and to help their community recover.
Yeah, and so, you know, the idea is really with HubSpot, the number one question we always ask is, how can I help? How can I be of value? And that is the ultimate question to be asking right now. Now, one of the things you said to me earlier today was we've got to start thinking about the recovery phase. We've got to get ahead of the pitch or the curveball, and we want to know what success looks like. So capturing this data is also going to result in reporting, but we can also track the resolution. So for every ticket, we can say, what did we do? How much time did we spend? And what was the result of that engagement? In other words, we can prove how we've helped.
And that's awesome. I think from many levels, the reporting people are going to be able to do, the tracking, the understanding immediate business needs and where programs and services have to go. This is a fantastic tool, and I'm so happy to partner with you on it. And let's hope we're able to help a lot of communities with their recovery.
That sounds great. And one thing we know for sure is disasters will happen again. Unfortunately, what really kills me is seeing economic development groups that waited too long, and now we're all scrambling. Let's get ahead of it for next time, because unfortunately there will be a next time.
Yeah. Awesome. Thanks a lot, Tom.
Thank you.